Okay, so we start our morning with a super healthy breakfast. It's oats and some dried fruits and seeds, basically everything what we need. So I just put it in the water, so it absorbs water during the night time. But if it's a really good quality of oats, it still will be quite hard. But if you put water in the oats and it gets really soft, so it's some chemicals added that make it or cooks quicker. And best way is if it just was processed by steam for me, quicker for cooked. And later we will do some cardio exercises, and after we'll eat omelette, and later on we'll eat a fruit salad, which will give us quite a lot of energy for do a lot of stuff during our day.